Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? I've almost got my voice back. Still a little, but I'm getting there. So, I have another box of 2018 Bowman's Best. If you watched the other break of this, I scored a really nice Acuna on card gold autograph to 50. I'm not expecting that to happen again, but my luck here lately has been absolutely off the charts. So, fingers crossed that I'll get something decent out of here and not bomb completely. We shall see. I don't know. I don't think I've ordered another box of this. I think this is it for now. I think I was gonna go one more and then see, and then decide from there. I don't know, I was having a tough time deciding last night. For those who were asking, I've already sold the Saquon 101, and I'm trying to figure out how to reinvest that money. I did buy a full case of 2018 Stars and Stripes hobby boxes because I just feel like that's kind of the best value for the money. And I did really good. I think I busted like 7 boxes of that a few months ago, I guess now. And did really well. So the cases are 20 boxes. I'm probably not going to make a crazy long video of me opening the case, but I will do a highlights at the very end and show you just the hits, just the goodies. And hopefully there'll be some good stuff, maybe some crazy good patches, maybe some 101s. There is a lot of potential out of that. I know it's not the most exciting product for some people, but I've always enjoyed it. I just really have. So that's one. Now I've got to decide what to do with the rest. I've gone ahead and ordered a box of 2018 Contenders, a hobby box. I really wasn't sure I was going to do that. I'm not a Contenders fan. But for the channel, you know, I'm going to do it. So it'll be fun. We'll see who we get. And who knows, with my luck as of late, I mean, the rate I'm going, I could pull like a crazy good cracked eyes Baker Mayfield or something. So we'll see. But I'm probably only going to do one box of that. Alright, so we're set up here. There we go. We have, sorry about that, 2 mini boxes, which I have just opened while I was running my trap. And I'm going to start with the one on the left. There are 2 autos in each mini box. Let's see who we get. Nick Williams, rookie. Brendan McKay. Matthew Latore. Jordan Alvarez is the first. This is a non-refractor, just a base autograph. And Mayhaw rookie refractor. So there's the first. Austin Meadows, Chris Sale, Joe Adele, Best Performers. I love the look of these cards. I remember these original Best Performers cards. That's how old I am. Early Indications, Jeter Downs. And Carlos Carrasco refractor. A nice little pack there. Alright, Giancarlo Juan Soto rookie. Reese Hoskins rookie. Power producers Tristan Casas and Alex Verdugo rookie refractor. Another good pack. Solid. Blake Snell, Grayson Rodriguez, Royce Lewis, Shane McClanahan, refractor autograph. Meh. And a Kingery rookie refractor. So this side, on the autographs, but the cards have been solid. There's a Devers rookie and an Andujar rookie. Brendan McKay, Best Performers. A Grayson Rodriguez, Best Performers Atomic. That is a good looking card there. Wow. I love the atomics and Alex Baum refractor. Let's admire that for a second. That is gorgeous. Alright, last pack of the side. Severino, Votto, Luzardo, early indications, a Michael Kopech blue to 150, and Ryan Weathers refractor. So, mini box 1 was okay. Some decent cards, but my autographs could have been better. Although I don't know much about that first prospect. Maybe he's better than I know. Alright, Yelich, Ohtani rookie. It's my first Ohtani rookie out of this. A DeGrom atomic. That card is thick. Thought it was 2 cards. It's so thick. Andujar, Neophyte Sensations, and Ohtani. Can't argue with that. And in that with a Gleyber Torres rookie refractor. Now that, my friends, is a sweet pack. Wow. I'll take it. I like it a lot. Alright, what else we got here? Arenado, Kyle Tucker, Jimenez, Alec Thomas. Ugh, I've already got this. Boo. And Tatis refractor. That's not bad. Taylor Trammell, Brendan Rodgers, Francisco Lindor, best performers. A purple Grayson Rodriguez to 250. And a Austin Riley refractor. Jose Abreu, Jack Flaherty rookie, Brandon Marsh early indications, power producer Gleyber Torres, and Jordan Adams refractor. Alright, last 2 packs. One's gonna have an auto, or it's supposed to. Lindor, Brian Dozier, Ahmed Rosario, and it is, oh my gosh, another really good hit. Oh my god, I am on fire. I mean, like, there's smoke coming off my head right now. Seriously, if you like tap the top of my head, it's hot. And not because I'm sick and have a fever. I am on fire. I need to be buying up every box of cards within like a 500-mile radius, for real. This is crazy. Wow. Whew. Okay. Adamas. I know it sounds like I'm bragging. I realize how incredibly lucky I am. It takes absolutely no skill to do this. I just have to buy the boxes and hope for the best. So I'm not bragging. I hope it doesn't seem that way. I feel very lucky. Alright, Scherzer, Sixto Sanchez, Connor Scott, A-Rod, and Jose Ramirez refractor. Wow. Okay. On card, best performers to 50. Wow. Let me get it in the holder for Butterfingers here drops it. Thanks for watching another crazy good break. Trying to think of what I've got coming next. What? I did order another box of Donruss Optic football. Man, what if I pulled another 101 out of that? I'd probably just pass out and fall out of the chair. That was already insane. I can't even. What a couple of weeks. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, it's the new year. And I started this just, I don't even know, not even a year ago. And I've already got a good number of followers. I really am surprised that many people want to watch me open cards. Still kind of blows me away. But I want to say thanks. This is tons of fun. To me, cards are life. I always do everything hashtag card addict, because that's what I am. And I appreciate you guys being on this journey with me. It's fun alone, but it's a lot more fun with other people. So, yep, everybody take care, and I'll be back in my next break soon.